Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying parts and safety gear, then measure and mark the correct insertion depth. Once marked, cut the tubing square and deburr the end so the seal seats evenly. Make sure the tube is round and free of cracks. Any distortion prevents a proper seal. Now align the tubing with the fitting and push straight in until you hit the mark. You should feel a firm stop. This ensures the O-ring is engaged and the connection will hold. Once the tubing is seated, perform a pull test by tugging firmly to confirm mechanical engagement and give a slight twist to make sure the tube passed the O-ring without slipping. If your fitting uses a retaining clip, install it now to lock the connection. Then open the water supply slowly to pressurize the line. Watch the joint closely for any immediate drips. If everything stays dry for a minute under normal pressure, you can move on to routing and securing the line using clamps or straps. You finish by securing the tubing so it won't rub or flex against rough surfaces and leave a small service loop for thermal expansion. If you need to remove the tube later, depress the collet fully with a release tool and pull while twisting. Inspect the O-ring for damage and replace the coupling if necessary. If a leak occurs, make sure the cut is square. Cut off 1/4 to 1/2 inch, deburr, and reinsert. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.